Money is important, and one key way to make your hard-earned dollars work for you is by investing in the stock market. And we have tips to help you find winning stocks, and that starts with how to read a stock chart.
That's right. Not everyone can be a successful stock picker like Warren Buffett. So to increase the probability of actually making money, not just losing it, that's where charts come in.
Charts tell a story. They are a visual representation of all the important things that are going on with a company.
An earnings report, drug trial results, analyst commentary, or a major merger or acquisition.
All of those things are clues to help you figure out whether or not you're making a good investment.
So instead of randomly buying, say, Apple, just because you can't imagine life without your iPhone, charts tell you whether Apple is the right stock to buy right at this moment.
And we'll get into the specifics of everything you need to know whether you're buying or selling a stock.
But in general, you want to see a stock that's trending higher, so your experience on Wall Street doesn't have to be like a bad trip to Vegas.
You always want the odds in your favor when you're investing, and you can definitely do that with charts.